Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. Further, I find that there is no provision here for financial assistance to homes which are run by private non-official institutions. If a child is entrusted to some private individual who is willing to take charge of him, I think that will be the most satisfactory method of looking after the child. If there are such persons and if they are poor, there is no reason why the state should not assist them. Of course, you have to have a proper supervising agency to see that the child is being looked after well and is being treated well. But subject to this condition, there should be an effort to put as many children as possible in homes, especially in homes where there are no children, where they can be looked after well as their own children, and if poor people are willing to take them, they should be assisted. A multiplicity of methods is required for this purpose, and it is not a question of either having state homes or nothing at all. Para. Sir, to run these children's homes and the special schools, a special type of individuals is needed. It is necessary to select people who are psychologically fit to deal with these children. It requires a great deal of affection and patience to deal with these delinquent children. They should understand the minds and souls of these children. So only people with natural sympathy who can deal with them with a great deal of patience should be selected. If recruitments is made just as government officials are appointed, then I do not think these homes will be run satisfactorily. It is prescribed that sociological experts and others are to be on the boards. I do not know whether expert knowledge is needed to decide whether a child is neglected or whether expert child when he is put into a children's home or into a special school. Special arrangements must be made in this regard, and probably it may be worthwhile to have an all India institution where special officers can be trained to be sent to look after these children's homes in all the states as well as in the union territories. This is a matter which requires a great deal of consideration. I hope, sir, that as a result of this bill, beggars will become extinct. Para. I entirely endorse all that has been said by Dr. Kunzuru regarding the necessity to take away beggars' children. A beggar must be automatically deemed to be unfit to support a child, and his child must be put in a children's home. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. थैंक यू.